Thursday, February 20th, 2025, AGNDD intelliReport topic, 2024 YR4 update. Please pardon any visual and informational inaccuracies in this entirely AI-generated article-based video. Chance of city killer asteroid 2024 YR4 smashing into Earth rises yet again to 3.1%, NASA reports. By Patrick Pester, published 2 days ago on livescience.com. NASA has increased the chances of asteroid 2024 YR4 hitting Earth in 2032 to 1 in 32, or 3.1%, up from 1 in 42, as reported in previous calculations. The probability that a major asteroid big enough to wipe out an entire city will hit Earth in 2032 has just increased to 1 in 32, or 3.1%, according to NASA. On February 7th, NASA increased the likelihood that asteroid 2024 YR4 will hit Earth in 7 years' time from 1.2% to 2.3%. The odds of impact then climbed to 2.6% and are now at 3.1%, according to the latest data on NASA's Center for Near-Earth Object Studies website. Asteroid 2024 YR4 has an estimated diameter of around 177 feet, 54 meters, or about as wide as the Leaning Tower of Pisa is tall. But while it is too small to end human civilization, the asteroid could still wipe out a major city, releasing about 8 megatons of energy upon impact, more than 500 times the energy released by the atomic bomb that destroyed Hiroshima, Japan. The good news is that there's still a 96.9% chance that the asteroid will miss Earth entirely, and as researchers learn more about its trajectory, the odds of a strike are likely to decrease to 0% based on its current risk level in the NASA data. There's also a tiny 0.3% chance that YR4 will hit the Moon instead of Earth, Live Science previously reported. Scientists use a measurement called the Torino scale to categorize the risk posed by nearby asteroids and comets. With a Torino scale rating of 3 out of 10, YR4 is capable of localized destruction and passes the 1% impact probability threshold, meaning the risk of a potential impact is estimated to be greater than 1%. Additional observations will give scientists a more precise estimate of the asteroid's orbit, which usually means they'll be more confident it won't hit Earth. Many other objects on NASA's asteroid risk list have ended up with an impact probability of 0% after more data became available. A team of scientists was recently granted emergency use of the James Webb Space Telescope, the most powerful space telescope to study YR4 in the coming months and assess its risk as well as its true size. YR4 is currently the only known large asteroid with a more than 1% chance of hitting Earth, according to NASA's Planetary Defense blog. In the unlikely event that YR4 does collide with Earth, it would probably hit somewhere along a risk corridor stretching across the eastern Pacific Ocean, northern South America, the Atlantic Ocean, Africa, the Arabian Sea, and South Asia, according to NASA. Patrick Pester, Trending News Writer. Patrick Pester is the trending news writer at Live Science. His work has appeared on other science websites such as BBC Science Focus and Scientific American. Patrick retrained as a journalist after spending his early career working in zoos and wildlife conservation. He was awarded the Master's Excellence Scholarship to study at Cardiff University, where he completed a master's degree in international journalism. He also has a second master's degree in biodiversity, evolution, and conservation in action from Middlesex University, London. When he isn't writing news, Patrick investigates the sale of human remains. Comments. Section Conversation. Let's make the internet a better place. Please follow our community guidelines. All comments. 9. Aylin VT, 19 hours ago. And wouldn't you know it, Bruce Willis is in no shape to destroy this rock. History Tech Doc, 20 hours ago. Looks like we're going to rock around the clock. Royagan 54, 1 day ago. What would happen if this asteroid hit the moon? Wouldn't that impact Earth in some way, possibly badly? Kaz 580023. Yeah, could mess up the tide, I'd think, maybe more issues. Code Havoc. Asteroids have been hitting the moon for billions of years. Hence the craters, it would do nothing. This asteroid is only 170 feet. Most of it will burn and melt before hitting the GRO, making it smaller. As is at 170 feet, it's a problem. But after it burns up and loses a lot of its mass, I won't be nearly as bad. That said, it's going to hit the Atlantic Ocean, so it's basically a splash in the water. Distributia? No, there is no evidence at all that it's going to hit the Atlantic Ocean. A 180-foot diameter object hitting the moon would not mess up the tide or cause any significant shift at all in the moon's orbit. Bolide. It's not going to burn and melt before hitting the moon, no atmosphere. In any case, it's too small to have any effect on us by hitting the moon. That said, this one is about 3x the size of the Chelyabinsk meteor that hit over Russia in 2013. Look up the damage that one did. Edited. Agbiask, 1 day ago, yawn.
Thank you for watching this AGNDD intelliReport, dear viewers. Like, subscribe, and click the bell button to get notified during new uploads. And make sure to tune in next time. Stay safe and healthy. Cheers!